Hi guys, welcome back to our video tutorial. And before anything else, please subscribe to my YouTube channel para keep updated po tayo sa mga post natin. At least may kaunting karagdagang kalaman tayong maitutulong. So this is the part 3. Now this is at this video kita natin paano natin i-analyze yung model natin. So yung sa iba na hindi pa naka-follow sa mga video natin, i-click mo lang yung sa taas. Meron tayong part 1 and part 2. Part 1, modeling. Modeling yan sa columns, beams, and foundations. And part 2 is the modeling of how to model the stairs and also the steel framing or the trusses. So, i-click nyo yung sa taas. At, now, we'll start now how to analyze this structure. Ito po ang pinaka-importante sa feature ng program na to. So, in this tab, you can see reinforcement, verification, stress calculation, structure model. Actually, na-run ko na pa ito. I already ran this program. So, mayroon pa tayong result. So that hindi po tayo mag-aksaya ng panahon. So first of all, before you run, you have to input all the general data here, the structure data, the locations of your project, nandito yan sa general data, then the calculation preference, ano pong type of analysis na ginagamit natin, then the drawing reference, i-fill up nyo, then the code na ginagamit natin. And then the Euro codes. And we have also here, you can see here the reinforcement. We have the summary of results. Actually, na-run ito. Then you have important the load analysis. Before you run, kailangan i-check nyo yung load analysis, anong type ng structure ang nide-design nyo. Category is either residential, commercial, or whatever. This is then we have the elements here. We have the beam, all the sections are here. You can add whatever you want. Example is steel sections. Kung wala sa yung design nyo, wala dito, you can add here. You can add your own material and properties. Okay, now let's see now the results. So let's go to the reinforcement. There's the reinforcement here. So see the columns. Okay, click the columns. So hindi na po generate niya na rebars. So the column along 13. You have the 12 mm both side and the corner bars is 16 mm. You have also the stirrups and the spacing. Everything is here. So napaka-ganda ng program na to. Gusto mo, if you want a grade, you can see the elevation of the columns. So you can see here. So we'll see the beams. So lahat ng detail ko na dito. Beam 1, we have the reinforcement here. Beam 3, 4, 5, 6. Span 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have now the reinforcement here. So everything is here, all the detailed. Then let's go to foundation. This is a type beam, so we need the foundation. We will see. See, you can see the reinforcement here. All are detailed. Foundation 2, bench 4, So andyan yung plot. So if you want to see all the detailed reinforcement in 3D, you can see also this one. You click the 3D and the options, select the 3D reinforcement. I-generate niya yung so lahat ng reinforcement nandiyan na. See? Nakita nyo. Nandiyan yung mga rebars, arrangement, rebar placement, nandiyan sa slab, columns, beams, let's turn it, and also the stairs. You can see here the stairs. Check natin yung detail ng stairs reinforcement. This is the stair one, this is another stair, the third one. Okay, so kompleto po yan. And also you can check also and the 3D results. Balik natin sa editor. Click 3D results. So anong type na example the loads. So for the structure, let's go for the structural 3D. Click this one. Let's go for the configuration. Let's go to this the deformation of the structure. If you want to know, you have the columns. Ang mapapaganda ito is you can see also the animation, but it takes time to generate the animation, but actually pinakita na natin yung mga results. Okay, that's it. On the next video, ilagay natin kung paano natin ilagay yung mga detailed drawings sa IFC. Also the calculation results. Okay guys, that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you again in my next video tutorial. Thank you.